Good morning there, friends and neighbors. Bobby here today. Folks, today I got a little problem with my Buick LaCrosse. Got a misfire problem with it and a check engine light on. And I've already diagnosed it. I'm going to take you through the process of fixing this problem. So stay tuned. Now friends, as you can see, we do have a check engine light on right now. Don't know if you can tell, but this thing is definitely running with a miss. I don't know if you can hear that. We definitely have a miss on one cylinder. So let's take you under the hood. Now our check engine light was code P0306, which is a number 6 cylinder misfire, okay? I'm gonna pull this cover off and then I'll show you the layout of this firing order. Now to take this cover off the top of the engine, all you do is take your oil cap off, pull it out of place, and you simply pull up on the plastic cover and it should pop freely out of your way. Now, the firing order on the Buick 3.6 goes as follows. Bank 1 being the rear bank. So you have 1, 3, and 5 on the rear bank. And then you have, up here you have 2, 4, and 6. Now our problem, luckily, is up here on the front. It's real easy to get to. This here is number 2 cylinder. This is number 4. And this is number 6. This is where our problem is right here. So friends, I've already got a new coil pack for it. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how to remove it and replace it. And hopefully we'll have this problem taken care of. Now the first thing that you'll have to do is get the connector off of the coil. Take yourself a little pocket screwdriver and slide it underneath the one side of it, and you'll actually pry out on this connector here. It's hard to do this in film too, but you'll see as you pry further out, it'll start releasing, and then you can just go ahead, there we go. And now you can simply slide the connector off of the coil pack. Next, I'm going to take my cordless 3/8 and I'm going to go ahead and back out this 10 millimeter. Now we should be able to go ahead and remove this coil pack. There we go, friends. It was just that simple. Now folks, I went ahead and pulled the plug out of the cylinder just to take a look, because I didn't know how long it had been since this vehicle had plugs in it anyway. And I do see some wear on the electrodes, so I'm going to go ahead and replace this plug, and I'm going to go ahead and replace the other 5 as well. But to complete this video, I'm just going to go ahead and put a new one in, and we'll get this coil pack on. I'll show you that the misfire has gone away. Now we've got our new spark plug here ready to go in, and I just want to give you a quick little tip. Always make sure you put a little bit of anti-seize on the threads so that the next guy can get the plug out. And be careful not to over tighten the plug. Just go ahead and put it in. We'll put it in with our long double swivel here. We will start it by hand. Always make sure it starts by hand. Don't use an air tool or anything to install a spark plug. And we will just screw this basically all the way down, and it should almost be there. Yep, we're there. And we'll just take a little handheld ratchet and pop that on there and just tighten it up. And you don't want to crank it too tight, just enough to seat the plug. That's all you need to do. Now for our new coil pack, it actually comes with a new bolt already installed. We will go ahead and put that down in the bore, press down on it slightly, and then we will get we'll start this by hand, the 10 millimeter bolt, and then we will zip it down with our cordless and we should be good to go. Now with the coil pack installed, we're going to go ahead and put our connector back on here, and we simply just slide it into place, and as you're sliding it in, start pushing the little piece back in, the one that you had to pry out, and then when you get it all the way pushed in, you're all the way on there. And folks, that's about it. Let's crank this thing up and see how it's running. Hey, I think we fixed the problem. Sounding as good as ever now. We've taken care of our problem. Hey friends, we've taken care of business today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and tell a friend about us. All we've got left to do now is just take our scan tool and hook it back up to the OBD2 port and clear that code out of there, and we'll be good to go. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.